Tech Research. If you have iPhone and you won't find out your Apple ID password, so this video is helpful for you. Sometimes we are typing multiple username as it is same as a password. So user ID is totally different and password is totally different, and we are totally forget which password we are putting or specific user ID. So in this video we will see how you can find out Apple ID password in your iPhone. It's very simple process. My iPhone screen is here. I just simply search here password application available by default in iPhone. Now iOS 26 are introducing this application, so all types of password are saved here without any problem, because of this is the very secure application coming from Apple. So here all types of password you can see here, bunch of passwords are available. So make sure which Apple ID you have. Accordingly you should just make sure which Apple ID you have. You are not remember which Apple ID or which email address you are providing as Apple ID, so don't worry. First of all we can check here which email address I provided my Apple ID. So enter here the setting section, then my name. So here is my email address for my Apple ID. So I go back here and simply search here the password application. This is the very secure application, and type here the specific email address which email address I provided the email address, and this is my username of Apple ID, and here is the password. If I press here, so my password is showing here. Using this process you can very easily find out Apple ID password. Second process, if you use Google Chrome application, so you just simply open the Google Chrome application, just simply press here three dots and scroll here. So here the one of the password manager tab is available. You just simply tap here, and after that here all types of password, username and password is a save. Accordingly which user ID you have, you just simply type here, and look at this here username, and here the password is showing. You just simply type your username, particular Apple ID, and afterwards you can very easily find out the password. If I press here, so password is showing. Using this process you can very easily find out Apple ID password in your iPhone using this video. If you have any question related on iPhone, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.